Hi, in this video we will learn how to use Stag Custom Sidebars plugin. Stag Custom Sidebars is a WordPress plugin which lets you create a custom widget areas in your theme which can be used anywhere with just a simple shortcut. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Here I have this installation. I have this plugin installed already here. So we will just go to Appearance and Widgets. There you will see a box here which says custom widget area, where you have to enter the name of the new widget area and just add it. So I'm gonna say new widget area and add it, and here you go. Here your new sidebar appears. Once you click on it, you will see a short code which we will be using to display the contents inside a page or post. So let's go ahead and add a couple of widgets here, and I'm gonna say Stag Custom Sidebars is awesome because and save it. Make sure you have this shortcode copied, and I'm gonna go to pages, click edit, and I'm gonna place this shortcode here at the bottom of the page, and you can just update the page or you can preview the changes. Here you go. Here you say Stag Custom Sidebars is awesome. You see, all the widgets area would appear just as the part of the content because it is. So let's go ahead and add a couple of more widgets. Like I'm gonna add archives here in the widget area. Say archives. Refresh. Oops, there is some problem with the link here with the theme, but no problem. Widget area works. So that's it. You can download this plugin right on this URL, which you can find in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.